Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the watch so sensors read your heart rate accurately. A snug fit matters. Open the workout app and choose a routine that matches your plan, for example, outdoor walk or HIIT. Tap the three-dot menu to set a goal, time, calories, or open workout, because goals guide pacing. Once done, press start and take a breath. The watch will begin tracking heart rate, GPS if needed, and calories so you can focus on movement. While you work, glance at the screen or raise your wrist to check key metrics like heart rate, pace, distance, and active calories. Swipe to change which stats display. You can mark laps with a tap or pause the session when needed. If you want steady intensity, enable haptic alerts for heart rate zones and cadence so you don't have to stare at the watch. Make adjustments to your workout type mid-session if your plan changes. The watch updates metrics in real time. When you finish, swipe right and tap End to stop tracking, then review the summary on your watch for calories, time, and heart rate zones. Once synced to the fitness app on your iPhone, you'll see trends and can export or share summaries for coaching. If metrics look wrong or are missing, check that the watch sits snugly, Bluetooth is connected, and health permissions allow heart rate and motion data. If problems persist, restart the watch and retry the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.